welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out acrylic painting. I didn't come up with this. I watched a few videos on YouTube. So hopefully it will turn out great. And yeah, let's get started. So we're going to need some canvases and some acrylic paint. And to start off, I'm going to cover up the table with some trash bags, dish soap, some cups. I have some water in this cup already, and I'm going to add some dish soap in here. Okay, so then we add 2 to 4 spoons. Alright, so we're gonna pour it here. I am nervy. So this one is done. We're just gonna let it dry. Alright guys, we're going to do the second one. Hopefully this will turn out good as well. I'm nervy. Look at the cup, it's so pretty inside. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye!
就是后面的镜子也会看到我。
很明显吗？
对啊。
真的假的啊？
对，我刚刚发现。
多明显啊！
就完完全全可以看到我。